This is the HomeWe kitchen cutting board set, and it's 3 pieces. This is in gray and white, however they have other colors to choose from as well. And look how nice this is. And it also has easy grip handles, so you can easily hold it. And this side also has grooves. That's to hold the juices while you're cutting, let's say, tomatoes or other juicy fruit. And the other side is nice and flat. So it's very versatile to use too. This one measures 10 by 6 inches. This one measures 12.5 by 8 inches. And this one measures 16 by 9.5 inches. And this is perfect for cutting, slicing, chopping, and dicing too. And this is so easy to clean. All you have to use is soap and water, or you can just throw them in the dishwasher as well. Now let's see it in action. The first thing I'm going to do is slice up some tomatoes. Perfect. The next, I'm going to slice up some celery and also dice it too. Working great so far. Perfect. And did you see how nice that worked out? And now let me slice up some cabbage. I am really happy with my HomeWe cutting boards. Thank you, HomeWe, for sending these to me. And also, thank you for watching and hope you found this video helpful. Happy cooking!